So most of us have heard about the Ikenga. Most of us know that the Ikenga is synonymous with strength. Ikenga, the strength of masculinity, the strength to work. Now, Ikenga falls under the principle of strength, but I want to, stretch it and to talk about other 5 principles of Ikenga. Ikenga is more than just a crafted figure in our Igbo spiritual system. It is deeply symbolic with personal power, spiritual alignment, destiny fulfillment. Now, Ikenga embodies the inner strength and will of a person to succeed, overcome, and to grow. Ikenga represents our chi, our personal everything. Ikenga also represents Ikenga, the hand of hard work. Ikenga also represents peace, because if you want peace, prepare for war. So in a way, Udo, Ikenga also represents strength. Now let's also dissect these 5 principles. And the first one here is the chi, the personal spirit or the personal God. Now, your chi is your divine identity, your personal God, your spiritual double. I call it spiritual avatar because it is your chi that intervenes or speaks for you in the land of the spirit. Now, your chi creates the blueprint to your destiny. In our tradition, we recognize and we align with our chi, which becomes the first step towards the personal achievement of our greatness, of our goal, and our spiritual purpose. If you don't know your chi, you're going to wonder, and until you know your chi, your path becomes clear. That's what our ancestors believed in. Now, Ikenga, the power of hard work. Ikenga praises the hand. Aka is used as a tool through which the spiritual will becomes physical reality. Nothing manifests without actions. The principle of Aka reminds us that success is not granted through dreams alone, but through focused labor, effort, and persistence, strength, and will. This refers to our inner courage, our inner power, and our spiritual stamina. The world is full of obstacles, and Ikenga is often the Ikenga figure, which is always seen with a sword, symbolizes the resolve to cut through oppositions. Ikenga is not just about the physical strength, but also about mental and spiritual fortitude. The 4th one, Ikenga, which represents Uche, reasons, and clear thoughts. Ikenga requires discernment. Uche becomes the principle of conscious decision-making, thinking, and before acting, and also using wisdom to navigate one's life and complexities. Therefore, without Uche, power can become destructive and hard work can become misdirected. The 5th one becomes Organiru, achievements and legacy. The ultimate proof of Ikenga is accomplishment, not just for oneself, but for one's family, community, and your chi. Ikenga demands that your strength and effort produces results, honor, wealth, peace, or service. These are the things you leave behind when you are no more, or when you've sojourned to join your ancestors. Now, finally, to walk the path of Ikenga is to live with intent, is to live with integrity, is to live with inner power. It is not about pride or arrogance. It is about becoming the person your chi have intended you to be. Now, with chi, Aka, Ike, Uche, Organiru, your Ikenga rises, not just in a wood or in a shrine, but within you.